Hello friends, is your car running rough, misfiring, or struggling to accelerate? If your check engine light is on, and your obd2 scanner shows code P0280, it means there's a problem with the cylinder 7 fuel injector circuit. This can cause serious engine performance issues and even damage your car over time, but don't worry. In this video we'll break down what P0280 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0280 stands for Cylinder 7, Injector Circuit Low. It means the fuel injector for Cylinder 7 isn't getting the right voltage or is malfunctioning, leading to improper fuel delivery and engine problems. Common symptoms of P0280: check engine light on, engine misfires or rough idling, loss of power and poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, strong fuel smell from exhaust, and difficulty starting the engine. Ignoring this issue can lead to bigger engine problems and costly repairs. To diagnose and fix P0280, check these key locations. Cylinder 7 fuel injector, usually found near the intake manifold or directly on the cylinder head. Fuel rail pressure sensor, located on the fuel rail. This sensor regulates pressure for proper injector function. Fuel injector wiring harness, runs along the engine bay and connects the injectors to the ECU. Engine control unit, or ECU, usually found in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Fuel pump and fuel filter, located in the fuel tank or along the fuel line. These parts supply pressure to the injectors. A fault in any of these components could trigger P0280. Common causes of P0280 include a few key issues. First, a faulty fuel injector. You see, a clogged or damaged injector can prevent proper fuel delivery. Next, damaged wiring or connectors. Corroded or broken wires can disrupt power to the injector, and finally, low fuel pressure. A weak fuel pump or a clogged filter can cause the injector to malfunction. ECU malfunction. If the ECU is sending incorrect signals, the injector won't function properly. Carbon buildup in the injector over time, deposits can block fuel flow and cause misfires. How to fix P0280. Step 1. Inspect and clean the fuel injector for Cylinder 7, replace it if faulty. Step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor for damage or incorrect readings. Step 3. Examine the injector wiring harness for broken or corroded wires. Step 4. Test the fuel pump and filter to ensure proper fuel pressure. Step 5. Reset the ECU using an obd2 scanner after repairs. Step 6. Test drive the car and rescan to confirm the fix. P0280 is a fuel injector circuit issue that can lead to engine misfires, poor performance, and higher fuel consumption. Fixing it early will keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Want to learn more about fuel system issues? Watch these next videos. P0235, turbocharger boost sensor, a circuit malfunction, and P0236, turbocharger boost sensor, a circuit range performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.